Now let's try to calculate the percentage of certain numbers. So for this I will quickly create a very simple class. Okay, calculate percentage, and I will make it public static void main. And now here let me take certain numbers, let's say int num1, num2, num3, num4, and you can take inputs if you want. Okay, let's say I'm going to take an input for this system dot out dot println and enter the numbers. So here we will use scanner class, scanner scan, and new scanner, that is the system dot in, and let me use here the first num1. Here you can use scan dot next int. Same way, likewise, we will use some 2-3 others, second, third, and fourth. So here you can use 2. Notice here we are using semicolon to the end of the line. So these are 4 numbers, and I'm going to calculate this percentage based on, let's say, the per number should be by 100. So I will do this. Let's say here I will use a total. So here int total, I will take here num1 plus num2 plus num3 plus num4, like this. And let me calculate the percentage that will be in double, let's say percent percentage. So here it will be total, something like this you can use here, total, okay, multiply by 100. See, this is the BODMAS I'm using, divide by 400. And now, as you can see out here, first this will be calculated. Okay, it will multiply by 100 and then by 400. So yeah, right, something like this. Now let me run it. I will take total percentage is percentage. And now let me run it. So let me enter the numbers. Let's say 60, let's say the 70, let's say the 80, let's say the 90, and you can see the percentage is 75.0. So I just try to check it out, means try to use some try to run some formulas to gain more understanding on the arithmetic operators. And the bracket will be solved, then BODMAS, actually a bracket of division, multiplication, subtraction will be applied, something BODMAS, division of bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so just check it out, my friends.